afternoon, guys. Super excited for today's video, and a huge shout out to SUPERCHIPS for sending me out a couple products to showcase and review for you guys on my 21 F-150. So in a following video, I'm going to be installing and showcasing the Flash Cal calibration tool, and it has a ton of different options to allow you to basically customize your truck to your liking, to your mods, everything like that. So I'm super excited to dive into that. But today's focus is the Amped 2.0 Throttle Booster. Greatly improves overall drivability and throttle response, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, send it back. That's freaking awesome. And if you put that on a product, you already know it's going to be a good product. But we're going to be testing it out today, so should just be a simple plug and play. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing, throw it in the truck, take it for a spin. Quick start guide. Some batteries as well, 3 to be exact. Sorry about the plane that's creeping on us above head. We've got one inline plug, some zip ties, little Velcro pads, alcohol wipes. Should be everything we need. Let's go ahead and undo your negative terminal because we are going to be undoing the wires to our accelerator. You don't want to accidentally trip some kind of code. And go underneath your dash. Here's your accelerator. We want to disconnect this. Just pop that red guy up, pinch it, disconnect just like that. Now that that's free, we got to put our module in line. So these two come connected in the box. Take them apart. This with the white tip is what's going to plug into the wire we just disconnected. Then that obviously color match to here. Then plug the black one into here, and then this plug will actually plug back in to the pedal itself, and then we will have this in line. It's kind of hard to film this, but hopefully y'all understand from me explaining it, and I'm going to show you. Go ahead and untangle these because we are going to be zip tying them up out of the way. But the white one connects to the wire that you unplugged. Lock that in. And that plugs into the white part of this. Then you take the one with the black end, plug that guy in our box. We are going to zip tie this up out of the way. Just go back up to the top of the pedal. Plug it in, lock the red tab. Take a little wireless controller, pop the back off. Install with the plus symbol showing. So all these should pop in there like that, even though they're loose. I'm guessing the lid locks them down. Okay. Yeah, I just saw some green lights. I just reconnected our battery and downloaded our Amped app, which we have to use with this device to sync it up. There's going to be a couple prompts. Just allow everything to continue. Make sure your vehicle is in the on run position. So 2 clicks. Make sure the pedal is not pressed, which it is not. Searching for devices. Device is not found. Make sure the vehicle is keyed on. Swipe down to refresh. Yes, gotcha. Gotcha. We are plugged in. Press the pedal all the way to the floor or until the amp device is found. Device found. The discovery process using the pedal is different than the pedal relearn process. If you have not completed a pedal relearn, you will need to do that before the product will function. Okay? All right, let's let go of the gas pedal. There we are. Connecting the amp device, please wait. Syncing the amp device, please wait. It's supposed to have a red light on this thing down here, which it does. All right, now we got that thing powered up and batteries in here. We're supposed to hit this one time with this within 6 inches of the module, and it should flash the red light. There we go. The pedal relearn process consists of pressing the accelerator all the way to the floor and then releasing it fully. This cycle must be done 3 times within 30-second window after selecting OK below. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Confirm the LED color of the amp device changed red to orange. Yes, it did. It's down there. If red, press retry. Okay, it's orange. It is totally working. There's all of our different things. So I'm gonna find somewhere to mount this. Use our little Velcro with the double stick. Mount this up somewhere, and then I think we're ready for our first drive. All right, guys, zip tied the little module up here on top of this metal bracket. Totally out of the way, nice and clean. I gotta go back and cut the little end pieces off. But other than that, it's perfect. And then I put the little device right here. I am right-handed, so it's more comfortable reaching over here. I was gonna stick it over here. I tried putting it on this, but this is like porous. It won't stick to that. So that's a good spot if you can get it to stick there, but with this stuff that comes with it, it won't. But it'll stick right here, easy access. First start up, let's see how it goes. All good. Here's our different levels. 1, economy, which is dialed back, 80%, stock, 100%, drive, 150, sport, 175, extreme, 200, and then you can go in the app and actually customize these other ones. About to test it out in this parking lot. We've got it on eco mode currently. I'm gonna drive over here. Go ahead and swap it, bump it to number 2. My freaking gear shifter's right in the way of seeing it, so I'm gonna definitely have to move it, but normal. Feels normal, which we're in normal mode as well. Let's go ahead and bump it to 3. It definitely is more eager. So that is drive, 150%. Yeah, it's definitely. This is just me putting around in this parking lot, all right? Let's do 4, which is sport, 175. Yeah. Way more eager. This sport mode plus this, you're just gonna be racing literally everybody. All right, just for the heck of it, before we hit the road, all the way, extreme, 200%. I mean, I am this much on the throttle. This is not going to be good for fuel economy. I'm here to tell you that. But it feels way more rowdy just immediately. Like I said, I'm breathing on the throttle. Oh my gosh, yeah. Let's turn this down. This thing is downright ridiculously rowdy. All right, that's stock. Let's put it 1 over stock. Bro, when this thing is on that high tune, I say high tune, when it's on that high setting, bro, it's touchy. This truck's got 373s. It's touchy. It wants to freaking rip, but this is on the 1 above, so this is 150%. I mean, if you don't want to tune your truck, you just want it to be as spicy as possible, ain't no doubt about this. Now, yes, I know, before you leave a comment, which you probably already left, this does not increase your horsepower. This does not give your truck any more power at all, but it uses it much faster. So it feels much faster. It's just like if you were to give a lot more throttle input. So instead of having to press the throttle this far for it to accelerate the way you want it to, press it this far and it accelerates the way you want it to. Bro, like I said, this is already a rowdy truck stock. is real rowdy now. So 4, bump it to 4. That is Sport 175. Oh man, not good for fuel economy because it is fun and you want to romp, which we're about to do a little bit of. Yeah, it don't take much throttle and you are scooting. I don't know how much. I mean, that's, bruh, I don't even know what to tell you about this extreme 200%. I mean, the moment you feel your foot on the gas pedal, it's ready to downshift and go. Like it just, I'm literally putting the weight of my foot on it and it downshifts out of 10th into 9th, ready to rip. Just for the heck of it, we're going sport mode, 200% extreme, immediately 8th gear. Sport mode, 200% over. Oh my gosh. It is so eager. I mean, some people think these throttle boosters are like gimmicky, but they do exactly what they're advertised as. They make this thing extremely sensitive. I just, you know, initial thoughts, man, I gotta move this thing. I'm just gonna take it off. I can just hold it, right? We're gonna put it back in normal mode because sport mode's already a little too annoyingly downshifty and whatnot. So we've just got it in the 1 over, which is drive, 150%, which is probably the one I would leave it in because it still can just cruise. It's not too much. This road is awful. Oh my gosh, hopefully it's not too shaky for y'all. Like I could get back on the gas right there and it didn't downshift out of 10th gear, but yet you just start to breathe on the throttle. I don't know, maybe the 175, the Sport, maybe that is. I mean, there's no questioning there's a difference. It's immediately a dramatic difference. And like I said, this truck is already rowdy as crap with the 373s from the factory, even on the 33-inch tall tires now, which I'm excited to install our other programmer from SUPERCHIPS, because that's going to allow us to adjust for all the mods that we've done so far. I just can't get over that extreme. I'm going to bump it back up there to it. I mean, you breathe on the throttle and it's downshifting. All right, guys, well, that's going to be about it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy, and another huge shout out to SUPERCHIPS for sending me out this Amped 2.0 to showcase and review for you guys. It's been like 4 days since the install, and I have left it on the drive setting, which is the 150%, and the truck feels really enjoyable. It is rowdy, but that's why I love it. So if you're looking to spice your factory truck up without doing a full tune, I think this is a must buy. I've really enjoyed it. I plan on leaving it on the truck, and if you want to just be absolutely ridiculous, buy this thing, leave it on that 200%, and just literally race everywhere. It's legitimately ridiculous, but it is night and day difference within every single setting. So you definitely get your money's worth. Like I said, don't want to go the full tuned route. I think the throttle booster is a must do. So hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.